Hey guys, welcome back. So first I'm going to moisturize my skin, and it is so important that you moisturize because you just need that moisturizer in your skin. You can't prime like with your first step. Like your first step must be moisturizer because that's like the most important thing that you need to do. And what I use is the Clinique ID. This one's like really good because you can actually customize it to like the way you want it. Like if your skin is like naturally oily or naturally like dry, you can there's like 3 different types, or like if you have a combination, there's 3 different types, and then you actually choose the cartilage that's in here. Oh no, cartridge that's in here, and you can decide if you want something to like remove the texture from your skin, or if you want to reduce wrinkles or anything like that. Like you can actually customize your own moisturizers, which is really good. I always use this one all the time because I love it. All right, so now I'm going to do my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia. I always use this one. It's the Pomade. Really love it. And the brush I'm using is just like this type of brush. Sorry, it's like ugly because this is my go-to brush when I'm doing my eyebrows, guys. I gotta look cute today or whatever because I'm going out with my girls. And I usually don't go out on Thursdays, but you know, it's my friend's birthday, so gotta look cute. Alright guys, so now I'm going to prime my face. The primer I use all the time is the Tarte primer. It's just it's the Shape Tape, and it's Pore and Prime Balm. And it's like, I really like it because it's like, it hides your pores, and it's also like a balm, so it like feels really soft on your skin. I don't know, I really like it. I'm also going to vlog this night as well. Of course, I'm not going to take it to the club, but I am going to vlog our, you know, pregame a little bit, just so that y'all can, you know, be involved a little in my life. Of course, it's like not that exciting, but I thought it'd be cute to like just vlog a little, you know. So now I'm going to go in with my color corrector. Honestly guys, you know, I do not have the perfectest skin, so I always use this color corrector, NYX. It's green, so that it helps with the redness, and honestly I use it all the time. You can see how like there's a little bit in there, so I just get like a little brush and then I just put it on my red spots. And then you can go in with a beauty blender and just kind of just like pack it in. I don't know, for some reason I feel like this helps. It helps it like sit. Righty. Now let's go in with my foundation.
The foundation I use is
Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my foundation. Gotta cure my face, you know. The foundation I am gonna use is Clinique. I love this foundation. It's the color Oat. It's kind of like a tan color, honestly, but I really like it. I don't know, Clinique is just like a brand I really trust because I do not have the most perfectest skin, and so I trust them and I trust their brand, and it doesn't like make me break out like other brands. I think like everybody's skin is like really different, so you kind of gotta test different types of foundation so that you can know which brand is good for you. Clinique is my go-to. And honestly guys, I got like a little bit lighter in the winter, and I've had this for a while. Literally, like I've had this for a while, and so it's lasted me for like a long time, but over the winter I got lighter, so I always add like a lighter color to my skin, just so that it can match my neck. And the color I use is True Blend CoverGirl. I just add like a little bit just so that it can like even up my skin, because I definitely got lighter. I mean, of course, like in the summer I'm gonna get darker again, but right now we got to make myself look even, not like I just freaking put on a mask or something, you know. Yeah. All right, so I just put like little dots everywhere, and then now I'm going to use my brush, docolor. I use this type of brush because it just like really blends everything out, and I hate using beauty sponges for my foundation because I just feel like it takes all the product, and I don't like that. Now I'm just going to pat it down. Do I look cute or whatever, guys? Just kidding. Okay, now it's time to do my eyes. I was thinking I'm just gonna do like a natural look. Like, honestly, I don't even know what to wear, guys, so that's why I'm not doing my makeup like full out, but still like a night out, you know? Like, I can't do like a smoky eye if I'm like wearing something brown. Like, I don't know, for some reason, like it just doesn't fit right with me. Or like I can't do something brown if I'm like looking like wearing all black, you know? So I can't, like, I just have to do like a natural eyeshadow look. I'm gonna do like a winged eye. And so first I'm gonna go in with my primer, and the one I always use. This is the Anastasia primer. Really love this one. And so I'm just gonna prime my lid. So now I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I really like this palette because it has like a lot of naturals. And I'm going in with this, and this color's called Silk Cream. As you can see, I like use it all the time. It's usually my day-to-day go-to palette, just because I love all the natural colors in it. Like it has a lot of browns, pinks, oranges. Like literally when I'm going to work I use this. But of course I'm going to use like a darker, kind of go in with like a darker color. And this one I'm just like blending it out. And definitely blending out the primer as well. You don't want that division as well. It's going to be like all separated and everything. Just blend it out. It's like a natural color. So this is going on my outer eye. Just blend it out. And honestly, I don't care where it goes because obviously it's like literally the same color as my skin. Alright, so now with the same brush, I'm going to go in with this one, which is called Pewter. This one right here, it's a little bit darker. And I'm gonna just put it on the edge, like on the tip of my brush. It's a little bit darker. So of course I'm gonna put this closer to my eyelid, just because it's a little bit darker. I'm gonna do the other eye. Alright, so now with the same brush, I'm going to use Mocha. Ay, Dios mío. Okay, mocha. So it's like a little darker brown. Just gonna pat it. I'm gonna be careful with this color. And I'm gonna pack it down here. And then bring it towards my inner eye. And I'm really gonna blend it, because I do not want it looking too intense. And I'm gonna do the inner corner in a little bit, because I like doing the highlight at the end for some reason. It just gives me like that success, like, oh my god, I'm almost done and I almost have my makeup done, and it just makes me feel like a bad bitch, you know? I'm just like putting on the highlight. Now I'm just gonna apply a little mascara on it. And the mascara I'm going to go in with is Ulta Kill. I don't even know, guys, but honestly for some reason I have to put on this mascara on before I put on like regular mascaras, because I don't know, like every other mascara brings my eyelashes down. Like for some reason, my eyelashes are down. Like I was born with them just like straight down. Maybe like I got it from my dad or my mom. I don't know. No, my mom's really curl. I think I got it from my dad. So yeah, they go straight down. So I have to put this mascara on before anything. And I don't know if it's like the beeswax, but like all the mascaras bring my eyelashes down. Like if I could only use like one mascara, I would, but no, I have to like kind of prime my eyelashes with this one. And honestly guys, where I get this one, I get this mascara at the flea market, like the pulga. Like that's where I have to get it, at the flea market. Typical, right? It's like, and it's definitely Mexican. Sí, hecho en México por Gina y Hasif, México, de BFF. It's from BFF. It's by applecosmetics.com. If y'all are wondering, like, if you want to try it. Now I'm gonna put a little concealer on there. And so don't judge me, but I ran out of concealer, like my color concealer. So I have to go in with e.l.f. and ColourPop concealer because I don't have the other ones. But this one's not bad as well. With this, I'm gonna use a beauty blender. Alright, so now to set my face, I am going to use dermablend, and it's illuminating banana powder. It's the color banana, and I really love this. Like, I don't know if you've heard me talk about it, but I really love this dermablend powder. I like the way I see like powder just come up. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it's actually baking my face rather than just adding like more powder on there. So now I am going to do my winged eyeliner. And I'm sorry guys, this can be very tedious, so I probably might not even talk at all. Like, I don't know, for some reason, like I hold my breath every time I'm doing a wing eyeliner. And the eyeliner I'm gonna go in with is the Ofra. This eyeliner is so good, guys. Like, it doesn't skip at all. Like, I've tried the Stila one and other ones, like the Too Faced ones. I'm sorry, but it skipped. I didn't like it. See, like, it's just so tedious. I always hate doing the other side because, like, I just feel like it just never looks the same. Like, I can never get it this, like, good, you know? Like, having to do something perfect 2 times, it's just very hard. It's very hard. Okay. Alright, so now I am going to go in with my eyelashes. And my eyelashes, guys, I got them from AOA. It's Miss A, I believe. And I got them at Dallas. I honestly forgot what they're called because I threw away the box. But they have like really nice eyelashes there. I have an example of another one, but this is how they look like. They're like really cute. Like, this one is called Jackie. The glue that I love is Duo. Oh my gosh, I love this eyelash glue. It's cheap. It is really good. Like, me and my friend, we went to Fiesta, Texas, and we got on roller coasters. We went into the water, and our eyelashes still stayed on. And it was with this eyelash glue. And they have like different colors. Like, I get the clear one just because, like, sometimes I use my eyelashes without eyeliner. But if you guys like use eyeliner, there's like a black one too, like instead of clear, and that one is really good too. Alright guys, moving on. I'm going to pat all the excess powder off. The bronzer I'm going to use is Fit Me. It's $3.55. I really love this bronzer. This bronzer because it's really cute. To contour, I am going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and so I'm gonna go at the tip of my angled brush and just take it like this. Now to put a little blush, I'm going in with Prosecco. The highlight I'm going to go in with is the NYX Strobe of Genius. And so we want to spray it a little with the Mario Badescu spray. Mario Badescu, love this. Alright, so I'm going to grab all of these. Just go like this. And put it on my highlighted areas. And then up here, this is a highlight, shimmer. Before I put on lip gloss, it's like really important that you exfoliate your lips, guys. Like right now, my lips feel like dead. And the lip exfoliator that I use, guys, is from Fizz and Bubble. And it's the cherry slush. I love it because I can eat it. I mean, not that you would want to eat your dead skin anyways, but if it gets into your mouth, it's edible, you know? You want me, like, you won't die. You won't die. To put my eyebrows in place, I'm going to go in with the clear brow gel. I love this clear brow gel. It's from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The lip gloss I'm going to go in with, it's like a brownish natural lip gloss, since I'm kind of like a little bit natural right now. It's Pure Color Envy. It's Este Lauder. My friend got it for me, and I love this lip gloss. Now I'm going to set it with some setting spray. The setting spray I go in with is the Revolution. It's Pro Fix. They have different kinds, even like oil control. Well, this is the oil control one, but they even have like a sport one, and yeah, I love it. Alright guys, this is a final look of my going out look. I hope y'all guys really like it. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. I would so much appreciate it. Yeah, if any like pro tips y'all have or any questions, go ahead and comment in the comments below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Bye guys. Alright guys, so we are getting ready to go to Burn House. This is my final outfit. Cute, cute, cute. My hair's getting long. Look at it. Alright, so these are my friends.
We're going to Burn House. Where?
Here's Fallon. Hey, Britt. Hey,
Hello.
Hi. Say hi. I am vlogging. So we are ready. We're ready to go.
Thank you.
Y'all girls got y'all's pre-drink? We do.
What's up, mamacita?
We're about to get litty tonight.
Liddy.
Hey. This is my look. Hey. Hey. Yes. Yes, birthday girl. Look at that birthday girl. Hey, hey, hey.
Guys, we need to find my phone. The Uber.
Brandy, you know, gotta fix that lip gloss.
Find me a boo.